So today I am Mrs. Kalyani Mishra and I am the ex-KV teacher, science teacher. I have made an aquaponic project. In this aquaponic project, and it is a combination of growing fish and also growing the vegetables. So when we are combining these two together, then the term is called aquaponics. So you can see, my friends, in this one fish tank is here, and in this fish tank the water I have kept as the reservoir, water reservoir that we have kept down, and from that some water is coming to this fish tank, right? So in this fish tank we have just we kept some small fishes, and we are giving the oxygen, and at the same time this is the floating food, fish feed we are giving. And also I have tested the water. The water should be, the pH of water should be 7, near about 7, 6.8 to 7. Otherwise it will be harmful for the fish. So once the fish is taking food, then the waste food and all the excreta of the fish, it will come to this second one. This is called clarifier. You can see it is written, it is clarifier. So in this clarifier, all the waste materials are coming, and mainly they will settle down. But the ammonia which is present in this fish excreta, so this ammonia, it will dissolve in water, and solid waste products, it will settle down in the tank by the gravitational force, and the water, top water, it will go to the next tank. That is called biofilter. You can see it is written, it is biofilter. So to the second tank it will go. In this tank, in the water we are giving two types of bacteria, Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter. And at the same time you are giving this oxygen. You can see this oxygen, you can see how it is coming. This one we are giving that bacteria. So these bacteria, here I have put some bio-nuggets, and these bio-nuggets also, the bacteria, they'll stick, and it helps them to grow also. They'll make a colony type and they'll grow. So this water, it is aerated, and here the bacteria, they're growing in size. And these bacteria, what they'll do, they'll convert this ammonia first to nitrite and then to nitrate. So once it is converted to nitrate, then it is fit for the plant. You know that plants, they consume nitrogen in the form of nitrate only. So this water is coming through this. After becoming nitrate, nitrate-rich water is coming through this pipe, and it is, there are outlets. There are 3 outlets I have given, 3, and some more outlets also I have given. So this is called one media bed, and I have made 3 floating beds. You can see one floating bed, and this is second, and this is third. So in this media bed, in that water, you can see water is coming here, and in this media bed I have put all these stones, and in these stones I have grown all these beans. You can see it's so nice, beans are coming up very nicely. You see, this is the thermocol. So this thermocol, actually it is floating in the water, so that's why you are saying it is a floating bed. So in this thermocol I have made that holes in the thermocol. Then after that, in that cup we are growing all these green vegetables. You can see in this one we have these clay stones, or you can see hydrotones. So this hydroton, it is growing so nicely, it is growing, and you can see the roots also. Once the nitrate, it has been consumed by the plants, then that water, it is going out through this pipe. And at the same time, you can see here, my friends, you can see here we have made some Dutch buckets. These are the Dutch buckets, and there also these fittings we have given, and through these pipes water is coming. Here also we have used these stones, and these stones mainly it helps to hold the water, and it makes the place for the air and like that. And water, how water is coming, you see, less amount of water, it is coming like this. You can see the tomatoes here, and after some days I think that this complete will be full of tomatoes, cherry tomatoes and big tomatoes it will be. And after that when the water is, after taking this one, again that water, all the water it is channelized, they are going through these pipes, so it is going to the sump. Again from the sump that water is coming to the fish tank. So it is a circulation, water circulation, and there is no wastage of water, and we are not using any types of this fertilizers, or not, we are not using any insecticides and pesticides. So I think it's a good thing, and I want to show it to the students. And also I myself, I am using it during the lockdown period. I am using all these lettuce, very beautiful lettuce leaves are here, very fresh. Every day I used to take. So my friends, this is a very simple project in the rooftop. Just on the rooftop I have made this one. You can see here also I have grown this one, but it is in this potted plant, Simla mirch yellow, and there is one red Simla mirch also, you can see it there. It is very nice. So it is a small experiment I have started during this lockdown period, and I wanted that I should show it to my students because it will be beneficial for them